crane or cranes collapsed at shipyard, hitting mega cruise Oasis of the Seas. One or more cranes collapsed at the Grand Bahamas shipyard in Freeport, Bahamas, hitting dry-docked cruise ship Oasis of the Seas, which is undergoing maintenance works on azipods, in the afternoon April 1. 8 workers were injured and hospitalized, none with life-threatening injuries. Extent of damages sustained by the ship yet unknown. It is not clear yet if one or more cranes collapsed, though at photos and videos, seemingly, at least 2 cranes collapsed. The ship listed starboard, probably it is not related to crane collapse, being just working situation. Cruise ship Oasis of the Seas, IMO 9,383,936, GT 225,282, built 2009, flag Bahamas, operator Royal Caribbean, capacity 6,296 max, crew 2,394, crane or